a little bit of talking about health and beauty and wellness. I'd like to welcome Dr. Jennifer Pearlman. Thank you for coming in. So let's start debunking some of these skin care myths. What's the number one thing we should think about when we're talking about this area?
Well, one of the most common misconceptions is that moisturizers are anti-aging. And the reality is, to be really anti-aging and hydrating, we've got to start from within. So I like to talk about hydrating, but more than that, using smart supplements.
Okay.
So products like this patented product called BioCell Collagen. It's a combination of 3 skincare powerhouses. So collagen, orally active collagen, hyaluronic acid, which holds 1,000 times its weight in water, and chondroitin sulfate. And the great thing is it not only reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the skin, but helps joints and eyes, dry eyes. And it actually has a Health Canada label that it reduces the pain of osteoarthritis.
Now, would you say that most people don't drink enough water and that leads to maybe tired looking skin sooner or younger?
I think so, but I think a lot of us know that we should be drinking, and we also get water in our food. So beyond a healthful diet and adequate hydration, thinking about smart supplements is probably a good step beyond moisturizers. But while we're talking about skincare, I think the second skin myth that I'd like to debunk is that skincare is cosmetic and works where it's applied. And the reality is, these days we have smart creams, which allow active ingredients to actually have medical benefits at distant sites. And a Canadian technologies around called Delivra that is used in this product, Livrelease varicose vein product, that allows the active ingredient, in this case a natural astringent, to reach the blood vessel wall to support circulation and reduce the appearance of spider veins and varicose veins. So certainly improving the appearance of our legs, especially as we want to bear more in the summer. A third common skin myth is very relevant these days with the Jessica Alba controversy, which is that natural sunscreens are best. And what I like to talk to my patients about is the fact that you want broad spectrum coverage. You want to be protecting yourself against UVA rays, which are probably the most damaging and aging rays. They're the ones that cause skin cancer, that age you and pigment you, and are not at all protected from just the SPF rating. You need physical blocks, zinc and titanium dioxide, to ensure adequate UVA protection. But you may want chemical sunscreens as well that absorb both UVA and UVB and are actually Health Canada approved like a drug would be. So at Health Canada, labeling's changed quite a bit, and you want to ensure that your product, natural's not enough, that it's UVA and B protective, that it's broad spectrum.
Now, I guess the question has to be asked, are the best products the most expensive?
Well, that's a great question, and I think
that's what I'm here for, right?
That's another really common skin myth, is that you've got to spend a lot of money, and the reality is you don't. A lot of active ingredients that are medical grade by prescription by a physician are actually more effective than the prestige products. A good example is the super drug for the skin, vitamin A, in the cosmetic form in some prestige products is only 1,000th as effective as the prescription form available from your doctor. And maybe a final skin myth is the idea that red carpet skin is only for those who are genetically blessed. And I think these days we can completely debunk that myth. It's not who's doing, but what they're doing. So with modern skincare technology and treatments, things like photofacials, skin tightening, Botox and fillers, red carpet ready skin is readily accessible for all.
One last question for you, and quickly. My face, a lot of my friends say it looks like an old baseball glove. It's so worn down. Now, are these things also, or these products also good for men as well as women?
For sure. Inside-outside approach to health and beauty is really an idea about proactive aging, regardless of your age or stage or gender. The approach that we have to age well from the inside out.
Absolutely great. Thanks for that. I'm going to have to take these tips and bring them into my own life.